there's some other ones. Did you bring these out?
Yeah, I brought them
Yeah,
over.
we got heaps of chairs apparently.
I didn't think there was.
Yeah, we didn't know what we had.
I did feel bad doing that, I'll be honest with you.
Yeah, right.
Not screen shading at all.
That would never happen.
Oh, you still got me. Oh, you had a shield on. Holy shit,
So is that the switch for the
That's the GoTech, yeah.
yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, co-op.
Jeez, that's a long time.
It is. Drink of choice. Oh, he's like a boss.
Nah, he was just a standard alien chain. That's what you're up against.
Where's the best place to shoot?
In the head. If you shoot their arms will come off. You're not meant to.
I can actually hold the button there.
Yeah.
It's got rubber fire. Oh shit, okay. Oh no! Oh, I should have got cocky then. I'm not way too cocky then. Oops. Let's see if I can catch up. I'm sure Matt can fall off the track somewhere along the line.
So does it work with the is it just the joystick or did you try the
Oh yeah, good point. Yeah, I'll try the trackball out.
Hybris?
No, on the Sega Mega Drive.
Oh, is
same
it?
game, yeah. Yeah, so it came out. Battle Squadron came out on that. And look, you can compare it. Battle Squadron.
I don't think it was EA. It was the same people that did Hybris.
Yeah, okay.
Well, it was the same developers. I don't know if it was the same publisher. Ah! Screw you, Hoffman.
Done Force 4. It's the best.
Rocks on the road.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Raiders. Lovely how that's not those in the track. It's out in the switch now as well. Raiders on this is cool. foresee that. Those silly little knocks back there are a bad idea.
Is this your Amiga, sir?
Yep, certainly is.
Can I just ask you to pull over? I need to have a word with you about your aspect ratio.
I'm very sorry about that.
Aspect ratio, please.
Yep.
He is.
Yep.
He's conned me
I'm
before
afraid
about that.
that's an illegal aspect ratio you're running there, sir.
It's Sega Mega
If you
Drive.
could cease and desist.
Sega Mega Drive version.
What we got working on here now?
Oh yeah, the bomb jacks optimised for the VBXE.
Nice.
Got good sound if I can get it working. Play with the sound.
I always forget that these monitors have built-in speakers, hey? Whereas PC monitors, not so much.
I don't know why it's. I'll try just one of these.
Oh, there we go. That'll be the one.
Everyone looks around.
That's quite a nice sound for that.
The graphics are like, I don't know, pretty decent on this.
Yeah.
I think if I put the original one on without the, without the VBXE and it's lower resolution on it, these might be like, it's been working alright, you know.
Just plugged into the wrong thing, was it?
Yeah, I think just having one in there seems cool.
That is microcosm.
Oh, yeah. They had a good version of that on the Sega Mega Drive.
Oh, did they?
Yeah,
On the Mega CD, yeah. But it was on everything. Well, I think it was on, wasn't it on the 3DO and everything as well? I
Yeah,
think.
3DO had it.
Yeah.
What core are you going to load on? Oh, there you go. No, that was cool. I like that. Yeah, that makes a difference. Even the AC3 Dolby Digital soundtrack is on an RF track now.
Oh yeah, right.
So it uses, RF signal, And you've got to buy either a converter box or have an amp that can take an RF coaxial. And then I sold it all, didn't I? And I had the top of the range DV, DLV.
Am I going first? Yeah, you go. You go.
I'll go.
Hey, you got better
Whoop!
weapons.
I fell down the floor. Oh no!
It's a good plug.
I'm pretty sure you just ate half of my rounds just then.
I'm glad you're here to help me. Yeah, they're the earlier ones that have got like a. I've got the original version where someone ripped all the files.
Is this SimCity?
Yeah, sure it is. Created this, but I've actually got a DVD box set.
It's been good. I've taught myself a whole bunch of stuff.
Yeah, that shows the filtering quite nicely there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You learn something new every time. That's some of it.